Welcome to AK47, just kidding. This is AK Learning Hub, your place to learn real-world skills step by step. Have you ever wondered how hackers actually break into systems, and how some people learn the same skills to protect computers, websites, and networks? That is where ethical hacking comes in. In this video, we will understand what ethical hacking is, why it matters, and what the difference is between a hacker and an ethical hacker. And don't worry, I will keep it simple and easy to understand. When people hear the word hacking, they usually think of something bad. They imagine stolen passwords, hacked accounts, or secret attacks. And yes, hacking can be used in the wrong way. But not all hacking is illegal. Some people learn hacking skills to find security problems before criminals do. These people are called ethical hackers. Let's understand this in a simple way. Ethical hacking means using hacking skills in a legal and authorized way to test the security of a system. In simple words, an ethical hacker is someone who tries to find weaknesses in computers, networks, apps, or websites, but with permission. Their goal is not to damage anything. Their goal is to protect. For example, imagine a company has a website. The company hires an ethical hacker to check if the website is secure or not. The ethical hacker looks for weak passwords, unsafe login pages, or any security issues. If they find a problem, they report it so it can be fixed. So ethical hacking is basically security testing with permission. Now you might be thinking, why is ethical hacking important? The answer is simple. Hackers are always trying to find new ways to attack systems. Websites, apps, and networks can have weak points. If these weaknesses are not found early, attackers can use them. That's why ethical hackers are important. They help organizations find problems early, protect user data, improve security, avoid losses, and build trust. Today, almost every business depends on technology. So security is not optional anymore, it is necessary. Now let's understand the difference between a hacker and an ethical hacker. A hacker is someone who uses technical skills to access systems. But this does not always mean they are bad. Some hackers use their skills in harmful ways. They may steal data or break into accounts without permission. These are called black hat hackers. On the other hand, ethical hackers use the same skills, but in a legal and responsible way. They work with permission and help improve security. So the main difference is not the skill. The main difference is intent and permission. A bad hacker attacks to harm. An ethical hacker tests to protect. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a house. A thief tries to enter the house without permission and steal things. That is like a bad hacker. Now imagine a security expert is hired by the owner to check doors and locks. He tries to find weak points, but with permission. That is like an ethical hacker. Same idea, but different purpose. Now what do ethical hackers actually do? They test things like passwords, login systems, networks, websites, apps, and more. They look for common problems like weak passwords, outdated software, open ports, or wrong settings. After testing, they create a report. This report explains what the problem is, how serious it is, and how it can be fixed. So their job is not just finding problems, it is also helping fix them. If you want to learn ethical hacking, you need some basic skills. First, you need to understand networking basics like IP address, DNS, and how the internet works. Second, you should know operating systems like Linux and Windows. Third, you need to understand basic security concepts. And most importantly, you need problem-solving skills. Ethical hacking is not just about tools. It is about understanding systems and thinking smartly. Also, responsibility is very important. Because these skills are powerful, and they must be used in the right way. Now an important question, is ethical hacking legal? Yes, it is legal, but only when you have permission. Without permission, even testing can be illegal. So ethical hackers always work with proper approval. Remember this line. Permission is the difference between ethical hacking and illegal hacking. Many beginners think ethical hacking means breaking into systems. That is not true. Ethical hacking means checking security in a safe and controlled way. Another misunderstanding is that it is all about tools. But real ethical hacking is about thinking, understanding, and learning how systems work. Ethical hacking is also a great career option. You can become a security analyst, penetration tester, cybersecurity expert, or consultant. Many companies need people who can protect their systems. So if you learn it properly, it can become a valuable skill for your future. Now let's quickly summarize. Ethical hacking means testing systems for security problems with permission. A hacker may use skills in different ways, but an ethical hacker uses them to protect. The main difference is simple. A bad hacker attacks without permission. An ethical hacker tests with permission to improve security. If you are starting your journey in cybersecurity, ethical hacking is a great place to begin. In the next video, we will explore more topics step by step. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.